We're here at Marsh Landing. It is a historical site and it has a restaurant that has got great reviews. We were heading down south on 95 and we were hungry and we wanted something different. So we started to exploring just off the beaten path, roughly about between 5 to 6 miles west of 95, and we came across this restaurant. So how about you guys join us and exploring this restaurant? It's got some good southern food. So come on. So it looks like they have frog leg platters and gator platters. And we found this cute little place just off the beaten path, and it's called Marsh Landing. And who do we have here?
My name is Stephanie.
Stephanie. So we have Stephanie that's going to help us out here in order to tell us a little bit more about this place.
Well, like I said, it's a hidden gem here. Marsh Landing's been here for 20 years. Fran and her daughter Susan opened the place. It was a sugar mill once upon a time. It was the sheriff's department once upon a time. But now we've been a restaurant 20 years. Every year we do our Frog Lake Festival, if you've never heard of it. It is a huge festival here. We have it right here at our fairgrounds. All of the proceeds go to the schools in Fellsmere and all of the youth sports, which my bosses are so involved in. They're such great women.
It's nice to give back to the community.
So much.
Yeah.
So much. Miss Susan is actually Commissioner Adams of Indian River County. Nice. She's real cool. Her mom was once the mayor. She was once the mayor. It's cool. Yeah, it's cool. Neat. I love this place. Everybody loves this place.
So I noticed that you this place has like 5-star reviews, which is really good, for any restaurant. But what are your top 3 plates, do you think? And I know you guys got breakfast, you have lunch, you have dinner things, so maybe if you want to combine all 3 areas, fine. So if you have to go past 3, that's cool too.
No worries. So for breakfast-wise, our Hungry Man breakfast, you get a little bit of everything. It's always a good choice. You can upgrade to the sweet potato pancakes or the French toast. The Belt breakfast sandwich is actually my favorite sandwich here. It's just a BLT with a fried egg, and you can't go wrong. Shrimp and grits, breakfast or dinner, great. It's a little bit spicy because we use a hot andouille sausage, but that's one of our top.
Okay, so let me pause you a second. Did you say sweet potato pancakes?
Yes, ma'am.
I have never heard a restaurant have sweet potato pancakes.
Yes, they are homemade.
Tell me about that.
Our kitchen, I want to say, doesn't like to do it because of how much work goes into it, but it is worth it. We peel those sweet potatoes, we bake them, we do it all. They're so good. It smells like a pie right in front of you.
We want to set for right now.
I know. I wish I could give them to you, but we sold out. Breakfast was crazy this morning. Crazy. We sold out for sure.
So guys, we are not going to get these wonderful sweet potato pancakes, but that's okay because we'll just have to come back and try them.
We'll have to come back.
Well, we will get something else.
No, but you said something about Thursday though.
Thursday we do our bluegrass night. The Penny Creek Band, they're a local band, have been playing for a while. Come here, we set up, and it's actually their jam night. So if you play an instrument, you can come and play with them. That's one of our busiest nights of the week. We fill up usually completely full the whole night. It's real cool. It's real cool.
So do you have any other events like during the week?
Not that one's set for sure, but not really.
But you have another event it's in the fairground.
Yep, our Frog Lake Festival. That's every January. That comes every January. It's real fun.
So what would you say are your top things for dinner?
So dinner, shrimp and grits. Okay. Always the shrimp and grits. That's something we recommend. The fried chicken is pretty much what we're known for here. We do make it to order. It does take 20 minutes, but it's always fresh and crispy. And then the liver and onions.
Oh, wow.
I like it, and I get a lot of guests that come in and who like it as well. It's a thin liver, the brown gravy, the bacon on top. Can't go wrong with any of that.
Especially when you're talking bacon.
You see, we love bacon.
Oh, that's right.
The little
sign.
sign.
It says love bacon.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a good sign.
Okay, so how long have you been with Marsh Landing's restaurant?
2 years.
2 years.
2 years. I've been here.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
A lot of our servers have been here a lot longer.
And I noticed as far as your story goes, it's really all of this area has been around since 1900.
Yes.
So.
And then we have our little gift shop right next door that Nick runs.
Oh, okay.
Right next door looks like a little mini this.
Yes.
There's such cool knickknacks and stuff in there. She has like homemade soaps and everything
Oh, I'll
in
have
there.
to check that
yeah,
out.
that place is cool. That place is cool
I'm
for
glad
sure.
you said that. So tell me about your desserts now.
Oh, they're all
I
homemade.
noticed that you had quite a few of them
Yes.
on the other side. Yeah.
Yeah,
there you
one
go.
side's our drinks, one side's our desserts. So our peanut butter pie is the most popular here.
Is it?
It is very big, very rich, very delicious. The coconut cream is so good, so good. They're all so good. They're homemade. Our baker is Miss Karen. She's probably like 85 years old.
Oh, wow.
She does great desserts. She does great desserts.
I was going to say, so you know they're good. Okay, and one last thing. I also noticed you have some cool handcrafted cocktails.
We got a full bar back there.
Oh, my goodness.
We do some good ones. Our Marsh Breeze is our one that we're doing right now. It's a real bubbly a real bubbly drink. It's so good. So good, topped with
I
champagne.
love the names. And then you have the front porch swing.
That's
What's
essentially
that
like a peach tea. A peach tea
one?
goes
Nice.
down easy.
Yes, but still yummy. Okay, we're gonna take a few minutes to place our order, and then we'll show you what we decided to eat.
They even do parties here, where you can have your own private room. Looks pretty cool. So we need to check out the bathrooms. So let's go check out the bathrooms. They got all these awards here. Big old baths. Sorry, Jim. It's a cool little bathroom to visit. Oh, it looks like you can rent out certain rooms if you have a big gathering. A lot of taxidermy. Look at that old Mercury. A little history about this place. Goes back to it said right here, 1926. Look at that. 1925 and then 1995.
It's really a unique place that has good food, but at the same time has history behind it, and they're trying to keep it that way and not get too crazy big like a lot of places do. So I thought that was kind of interesting. They have gator, they have frog legs, catfish. So, you know, right up the alley of having something unique and different. You're gonna love it.
I'm just looking at this. Oh, snap.
Okay, so what I got is the 222, and it's 2 eggs, 2 pieces of meat of my choice, and 2 pancakes. And it was like under $10 for it, so I think that's a pretty good thing. But look at yours. I like the look of your biscuit. I might have to have a bite of that. It looks pretty yummy-licious. And you got 2 pork chops on there with the grilled onions.
And it smells delicious.
Yeah. Supposedly the pancakes, all the pancakes. I really wanted to get the sweet potato ones, but they just ran out. But, you know, it is 1:45 in the afternoon, so of course, you know, Sunday, everybody's here, because this is Sunday. Everybody's here for breakfasts on Sunday, right? So they have run out of the sweet potato batter that they make, so I wasn't able to get them, but I did get their buttermilk pancakes, and it is also a homemade recipe. So let me
See
try
that for?
them. Oh my gosh.
She's taking too long to find out. Here's the pancake. There you go. Buttermilk pancakes.
Yeah,
Good.
very good. Pancakes are supposed to be fluffy.
There's that biscuit. Oh my goodness.
The pancakes are very good, and you can tell they're homemade. Very good. I like them a lot.
So you definitely can give this place a
They're
yummy-licious.
yummy-licious.
And especially that's in the hidden.
It's a
path.
gem.
It's a gem.
Truly
It's
a
hidden.
gem off of 95.
Yeah, it's just not too far from 95. And I believe it's exit 156, or you can go 166. We went 166 coming, we were heading south, and just kind of hit the country road.
We were heading south from Orlando, so
Yeah.
yeah. Otherwise, if you're going north, you could probably
156.
take another exit, but
Yeah,
156.
yeah, and it's just on the west side of 95. So we're gonna go ahead and also check out some of the restaurant. I mean, was that little
They have a
marketplace?
little gift shop next door that is a part of this Marsh Landing restaurant. So we're going to check that out. So stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Alrighty, let us enjoy this meal and we'll get back with you some more. I am told that this particular boat ride was very phenomenal by a family that just went and they loved it, saw many gators. So there's their number. If you guys want to try it out while you're here, then check it out. And then if you do, let me know how it went. So perhaps that might be something that we might explore. So this is called Ditch 13 Gallery and Gifts. It's right next door to the restaurant. So let's go check it out. Little tiny little thing.
Hi there. How are you? Good. Good, good, good. Water songs. Look at these buckles, Clem.
It's a cute little store if you want to come by. Got a lot of books, little signage. Oh, and it also got honey here. You can't go wrong with honey.
The Barefoot Mailman, all about when they used to deliver mail, they'd walk all the way to the Keys.
Oh, wow.
From Miami, they would walk all the way to the Keys, and that's what that book is about. This book right here, The Gladesman, is all true story about this man, Simmons. Lived in the, he was a skipper that lived in the Everglades. Loxahatchee, Life and Death on the Loxahatchee. It's all about Trapper Nelson. He has a camp that is still in Jonathan Dickinson State Park in Hobestown. Jacob Summerlin was a gentleman born and raised in Fort Pierce.
Nice.
A true hero. The Ashley Gang, you would know about that, being from Stuart, Florida, notorious bank robbers.
Yeah.
Bone Mizell goes back early 1800s. My husband, who worked for the Department of Agriculture, actually worked with his great-grandson, Maury Mizell.
Wow.
A land remembered starts off in 1850s and through several generations of the McIvy family, brings it up until 1920, about 1920 when Flagler brought the train in, and it's all the perils and tribulations of this area here, all the way to Tampa, all the way down to Miami, and how Florida was developed.
So in here, it is a little small market in Fellsmere, and it has fruits and vegetables and
Look at how beautiful. Those Roman tomatoes.
Roma tomatoes. Yes.
Everything looks incredible.
Yeah. And I believe they sell like fruit smoothies.
Yeah,
and things
they got
like that,
smoothies
fruit
here.
juices.
All different types of smoothies.
You can tell the vegetables in it and the fruits, they look really nice. It's
Oh,
not like
look,
it's
they got
old
the Mexican
stuff.
mangoes here.
Oh, do they?
Yep. These
Oh,
are
they sure do.
excellent mangoes
They're
right
so
here.
sweet.
If you guys never tried one, this is a must to grab. And they got all these pots, clay pots, little characters there. And so here it looks like they got a food truck that you can have some other like tacos, burgers, and things like that.
So this is the one ice cream place that you can come in and you can get a beer or you can get an ice cream.
Wow, this is all homemade?
Looks nice.
Cup with
Wow. What's the pink one?
strawberry bubblegum, grape, and regular strawberry.
Oh wow, all this homemade.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yep. Oh, here's some of the.
Oh yeah, they even have a banana one. Oh, wow, look at all the different flavors that they have. Pistachio.
Cocoa strawberry.
They have guava. They have mango, butter pecan, eggnog, chocolate chip.
Wow.
These are non-dairy.
Oh, those are
Oh,
non-dairy.
so you have some non-dairy. Oh, nice. Look at, they have tamarind and chili.